Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max vs Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Performance. Processor. Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. Hexa-core, 2x3.22 GHz plus 4XX, XGHZ. Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Hexa-core, 2x3.1 GHz Firestorm plus 4x1.8 GHz Ice Storm. Chipset. Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. Apple A15 Bionic, 5nm. Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Apple A14 Bionic, 5nm. Graphics. Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. Apple GPU, 5-core graphics. Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Apple GPU, 4-core graphics. RAM and architecture. Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. RAM, 6GB, architecture, 64-bit. Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. RAM, 6GB, architecture, 64-bit. Dimensions. Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. Width, 78.1mm. Height, 160.8mm. Thickness, 7.7mm. Weight, 240 grams. Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Width, 78.1mm. Height, 160.8mm. Thickness, 7.4mm. Weight, 228 grams. Colors. Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. Graphite, gold, silver, Sierra blue. Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Silver, graphite, gold, Pacific blue. Display. Both same. Display type. Super Retina XDR OLED. Bezel-less display. With punch hole display. Pixel density, 458 pixels per inch. Screen size, 6.7 inches. Screen to body, 87.4%. Screen resolution, 1284 by 2778 pixels. Touch screen. Scratch-resistant ceramic glass, oleophobic coating. Storage. Both same storage. Internal memory, 256 GB. Expandable memory, no. Battery. Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. Type Li-ion. Capacity 4373 mAh. Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. Type Li-ion. Capacity 3687 mAh. Camera. Both same. Selfie camera 12MP. Rear triple cameras each 12MP.